Just this week, Michigan broke a record, and not a good one. The most new COVID-19 cases in a single day. Heads of health systems from here in Detroit to Grand Rapids and the UP, they're all worried. They say this is a crisis, and they hope all Michiganders will start acting like it.
Not only are the numbers alarming, people are dying.
Unlike the first big wave of the virus in the spring, health systems all around Michigan are reporting surges, some exponential, in both COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations.
On a daily basis, we are getting feedback, both anecdotal evidence and data from both small rural hospitals, our large urban systems, and everything in between. Our hospitals are rapidly filling with COVID patients at a very alarming rate.
During a group Zoom call this morning with heads of health systems from all over Michigan, including Henry Ford and Beaumont, the message was clear. This is an emergency.
The positivity rate is up substantially. That means that we in our communities are transmitting the virus much faster between each other than we were 30, 60, 90 days ago.
In the past 5 weeks in Michigan, the average weekly growth rate in cases has been 40%. And given that health systems all around Michigan are concerned with capacity, there's the question of field hospitals. TCF Center was converted in the spring, but these experts say the challenge with running a successful field hospital isn't the space or the beds, it's the staff, especially when frontline caregivers are testing positive themselves. Here in Metro Detroit, the head of Beaumont Health says community cooperation is vital as we remain, at least for now, in phase 4 of reopening.
One of the most difficult things is getting people to use the basic tools of infection control.
Like social distancing, properly washing your hands, and wearing a mask.
We see it in our own lobbies. As people come in, we ask them to wear masks to do the basic protective activity, and we get resistant.
And this comes at a time when people are preparing for large holiday gatherings. But just this week, the CDC is advising people to keep Thanksgiving get-togethers small, only with people from your immediate family in the same household. In Southfield, Jen Shantz, 7 Action News.